Today, I'm excited to share my experience with the Vietus cell phone screen replacement kit for the iPhone 12 Pro. This professional phone screen repair kit is an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to replace a cracked, scratched, or broken screen on their iPhone. The precision iPhone compatibility of this kit is impressive, providing an edge-to-edge professional-grade fit. The package includes ultra-strong adhesive and waterproof tape, ensuring a secure and durable installation. The responsive, ultra-clear OLED display with AMOLED technology delivers factory-grade performance, enhancing clarity, brightness, and touch responsiveness. One standout feature is the enhanced luminance and color balance of the Vietus screen replacement. Whether you're watching TV shows, movies, playing video games, or viewing pictures, the colors are vibrant and the details are rich. What I appreciate about this kit is the easy DIY frame installation process. Although instructions are not provided, there are plenty of online install videos to guide you through the step-by-step process. Vietus has made it flexible and straightforward to replace a broken or damaged smartphone screen. In conclusion, the Vietus cell phone screen replacement kit offers a cost-effective and quality solution for iPhone 12 Pro users. If you're in need of a reliable screen replacement, this kit is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.